We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
Hey Glam fam, today we are discussing something that you will absolutely love. I have the perfect beauty tips for you guys on today in order to improve that booty. Now you asked and I'm here to deliver. Today I'm going to be talking about different supplements that help with bum growth. And all of them that I'm mentioning in today's video I will leave listed down below. Now please excuse your girl's voice. I am a little bit under the weather and I'm trying to hold back coughs as I'm filming this. So make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up for the fact that your girl is still filming. And also make sure that you leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is, just make sure that you show some comment section love in the comment section. And also give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Now whenever people think about achieving a bigger or better bum, most people think of squats and lunges. Why? Because this is what's been promoted to us the most for improving the bum. However, if you want a fuller, better bum, there are a few other things that you can do as well in order to achieve just that. Coupling the right diet and exercises with the right vitamins and supplements can help you to achieve the bum of your dreams in no time. Some vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D can be produced in your body naturally, whereas others need to be obtained through dietary supplements. Now if you want a nice booty, this requires consistent effort. And here are the best vitamins for improving that bum and getting the bootylicious body of your dreams. Number 1 on the list, we have biotin. This water-soluble vitamin supports improved energy, metabolism, hair, skin, and nails. And it can also play a role with improving that booty. It plays a specific role in synthesizing enzymes that help convert proteins and carbohydrates, which in turn helps to give you a nice bootylicious bum. Creatine is next up on my list, which I've mentioned creatine plenty of times here on the channel if y'all have been keeping up with your girl. Now creatine is naturally produced by the human body. Creatine helps to generate energy for our body, which in turn helps to improve your resistance training performance. Vitamin C is next up on my list. Crucial for tissue growth and repair, vitamin C also helps to boost your immune system, making your body more resistant to pathogens. It helps to facilitate the passage of fatty acids for oxidation and energy production. And last but not least on the list, we have zinc. This essential mineral plays many roles in the body. Zinc is crucial for supporting the growth and maintenance of muscle fibers. And it has also been shown to regulate blood glucose levels during exercise. So if you're looking to improve your bum, don't walk, run to get all of these vitamins that I just mentioned and you will see results in no time. I absolutely love all of these. I'm going to have them listed down below for y'all. Y'all know I'm always going to come through for my glam fam. And y'all, I'm going to go rest so that I can try to get rid of this cold, because if you know anything about me, you know that I absolutely dislike with a passion being sick. I'm your girl Maddie, sharing with you all some beauty tips, hacks, and tricks. If you found this video enjoyable or helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button as well as subscribe to the channel down below. Not only that, girlfriend, but make sure that you leave a comment. I don't care if it's just an emoji, just make sure that you share with your girls some comment section love. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.